Hello class, these are questions that were asked in 2017 Jee-Advance, and these are 5 questions, and we will do the first 2 questions. Now this is a single digit integer question whose value range from 0 to 9, which is given. So first we'll solve question number 44. Here we have to find the values of p. How many values of p for which this equation of the circle and the coordinate axis have exactly 3 common points. So what are the coordinate axes? X and Y. So we'll solve for question number 44. So the equation of circle is given as x square plus y square plus 2x plus 4y minus p equals to 0. Now we can write this equation in form of this. So we will club x square and 2x. So we can write x plus 1 whole square minus 1, and we'll club y square and 4y, and we can write y plus 2 whole square minus 4 minus p is equals to 0. So x plus 1 whole square plus y plus 2 whole square is equals to p plus 5. So we can compare now these two equations. So the center of this circle h comma k is minus 1 comma minus 2, and the radius is under root p plus 5. Now we have to find for what value of p the coordinate axis and my circle have exactly 3 common points. So what are the possibilities of having 3 common points? For this, let's draw the coordinate axis. So this is my x-axis, this is y-axis, and this is the center, minus 1 comma minus 2. So one possibility is this, where you have 1, 2 and 3 common point. So this distance is 2 unit, and this distance is 2 unit, and this distance is 1 unit. Another possibility is that is minus 1 comma minus 2 is the center, so 1, 2 and 3. Again we have exactly 3 common points. So these are the 2 possibilities. Now let's check for this possibility. This is my radius, and here the radius is under root 2 square plus 1 square, that is under root of 5, and that is equals to under root of p plus 5. From here p comes out to be 0. This is one value, and for this the radius is 2, which is under root of p plus 5. So this implies p plus 5 is 4, and p comes out to be minus 1. Asked how many values of p, so that is minus 1 and 0. So there are 2 values of p. This is the answer. Let's solve question number 45. Here f is given a function from real domain to real codomain. It is a differentiable function and some conditions are given. And another function g of x is defined as integration of some function, and then in the interval of 0 to pi by 2 we have to find what is limit x tend to 0 g of x. So first we will write the conditions that f of 0 is 0, f of pi by 2 is 3, and f dash of 0 is 1. We will look the function f of x. So it is defined as integration from x to pi by 2 f dash of t cosec of minus cot of t cosec of t f of t dt. Now before integrating this function, we just look on this function, and one more thing, we will see what is d by dt of cosec of t. This is nothing but minus cot of t into cosec of t. So we'll see the chain rule or the Leibniz rule, that is f of t into h of t. If you differentiate it with respect to t, you will get f dash of t into h of t plus h dash of t into f of t. Now you can see the correlation between these two. So if we see one function as f of t and another function as cosec of t, then if we differentiate it, we will get f dash of t into cosec of t minus cot of t into cosec of t f of t. So therefore integration of f dash of t cosec of t minus cot t cosec of t f of t dt will be f of t into cosec of t. So my g of x will then become integration of x to pi by 2 d of f of t into cosec of t, which finally comes out to be f of t cosec of t from x to pi by 2. Now if you put the limit, you will get cosec of pi by 2 minus f of x cosec of x. So therefore g of x simply becomes f of pi by 2 minus f of x cosec of x, and f of pi by 2 is 3 minus f of x cosec of x. Now in the question I have to find the limit x tends to 0 g of x will become limit x tend to 0 3 minus f of x cosec of x. This can also be written as limit x tend to 0 3 minus limit x tend to 0 f of x by sine of x. Now this is of the form 0 by 0, so we can use L'Hospital rule. That means we will differentiate numerator and denominator individually. So limit x tend to 0 g of x will become 3 minus limit x tend to 0 f dash of x divided by cos of x. So this is 3 minus 1 by 1, which is 2, and this is the answer. Hence for question number 45 the answer is 2. The question number 44, the answer is 2. So if you like this video, share and subscribe. Thank you.